How to add photos and images to Google Docs. First of all, make sure Google Docs is opened. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and search for docs.google.com. Open the document of your choice. If you want to add the photos and images, click on the option Insert. Click on the option Image that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to find the options like upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos, etc. Click on the option of your choice. I'm going to upload from the computer. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the photos over here. Go to your preferred destination. Click on the photo that you would like to insert over here. Click on the option Open. Once you do that, the photo or video will be inserted. You can move it by simply dragging it. You can also adjust its sizes if you want. You can also choose the layout. Like this, you'll be able to add the photos and images to Google Docs. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.